In today's video, I want to show you how I made this vegetable soup that I paired with Uziza leaf, and that soup came out very delicious. You will love it. So let's go straight into it right now. I introduce my protein. Any protein of choice will suffice. Introduce your seasoning, salt, pepper. I stir it properly to combine. Please, stockfish is very important for this particular soup. You can use the flesh or the body, anyone works. Now covered, brought it to a boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I introduced salt. I did that because the meat was a bit tough. I didn't want to introduce salt from the beginning. I'm not cooking with pressure pot. If you're cooking with pressure pot, you can decide to introduce salt anytime. When the meat was ready, I removed it and set it aside. Cooking the soup properly, I introduced oil, introduced onions. I will stir properly to combine. Now you can decide to also introduce your oil inside the meat that we removed earlier. If that's what you want, that works also, okay? But I love to prepare mine this way. I will stir the onions and allow it to be fragrant. I will introduce a bit of seasoning. That is optional. If you like, you can do it. Then I introduce crayfish, introduce periwinkle. I introduce this periwinkle now because I've not cooked it. So I want to cook it for it to be ready before I introduce the vegetables. So allowing it to cook for some time, I reintroduce the protein I removed earlier. I will stir properly to combine, cover this and allow it to cook. At this point, you don't need any further water to cook the soup. All you need is palm oil. If you introduce more water into the soup is going to be watery because vegetable has water. Uziza leaf has water also. So you wouldn't like the outcome. I introduce more crayfish and then I introduce this deboned fish. I will stir properly to combine, cover this and allow everything to simmer together to bring out its own taste. This place is bubbling with a whole lot of taste and this soup tasted very lovely. I can tell you that for free. You can see no liquid inside, just the oil that is left inside. That's how you know that your soup is okay. It is time to introduce your dry fish. I'm introducing this dry fish now because it is not a tough dry fish. If you have a tough dry fish, please include it when you're cooking the meat ab initio. So I stirred properly to combine, introduce more crayfish. For the soup, you need a whole lot of crayfish to bring the taste of the soup to life. I will stir properly to combine and it's time to introduce our first vegetable, which is Uziza leaf. But before I do that, I will introduce more oil so it cooks together with the protein before I finally introduce our first leaf, which is Uziza leaf. If you haven't followed this channel and this is the first time you're seeing this lovely channel, this channel is all you need to make any kind of Nigerian soup. You are not at the wrong place, rather you are at the right place where we make authentic Nigerian soups the right way. And if you love what we do here, kindly subscribe to the channel. Turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. Of course, you know I appreciate you. Thank you for your share, your like, and every other contributions you make towards the growth of this channel. I appreciate you. Thank you. At this point, you stir properly to combine. Allow the Uziza leaf to simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes. Taste and adjust with any lacking ingredient. It is time to introduce the vegetable. If you allow the soup to simmer for another 2 minutes and you bring it down, you've just made Uziza soup. Very delicious at this point, but this is not what we're going for. We're also going to introduce vegetable leaf, which will make it vegetable soup, but with a touch of Uziza taste in the vegetable soup. That combo is so perfect, delicious. I introduce more crayfish. Like I said, vegetable soup require a lot of crayfish to bring it to life. Then I introduce the vegetable right here. I will stir properly to combine. I don't like to cover my vegetable and allow it to wilt. If you love that, you can do it. I just introduce the vegetable and I keep stirring until everything submerges into the soup. and then I will allow it to cook for about 2 minutes and it will be ready. I introduce more oil. Why not? Because vegetable soup needs plenty of oil. Except you're on a healthy journey, you can decide to reduce the quantity of oil you give it. Even after giving it a whole lot of oil, you can still feel that the oil was not enough. But it's okay here. I will stir properly to combine. Allow this to simmer for another 2 minutes. The soup will be on its way to getting ready. You can serve the soup with any swallow of choice. Any swallow of choice. You can even serve it with rice or potato. You will enjoy it. It is delicious. This was after 2 minutes of allowing the soup to simmer. When I open up, I will stir properly to combine and the soup is ready at this point. You can serve with any swallow of choice. And I want to ask, if you haven't subscribed to this channel up until this time, please hit that subscribe button. Turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you very much. And if you haven't seen any other of my video, I think I'll be linking this afang soup up here for you to see and then enjoy. Please subscribe, share with your friends, basically, if you love the soup. And this is the outcome of the soup, and I hope you will try. Thank you for watching. Till I see you in my next video, do have a pleasant day. Bye bye.